Okay, we rolling? All right. Hey, this is Michael from Etkin, and I'm here today to talk about some of the design features of the Etkin 8-cup coffee dripper. We designed this device to brew up to a liter of coffee. Where most other pour-over drippers leave off, that's where this device begins. It's really optimized to brew anywhere between 500 mils all the way up to a liter of coffee. Probably the most important design feature is the flat bottom geometry. And this was very intentional. At these larger volumes, it becomes very important that the coffee bed has the same depth all the way through. SCA standards are for the coffee bed to be between 2.5 and 5 centimeters. With our device, that's achievable with a 30 gram to a 60 gram dose. It's a very steep geometry on the side walls. This leads to a very little bypass for the brew. Essentially, with this kind of geometry, we get very even extractions. Lots of our customers have talked about how smooth and sweet coffees with Etkin dripper taste, and we really think that's a result of the geometry of the device. Next, we have these really deep ridges at the bottom of the device. When we're doing these larger volumes, it becomes easier for the coffee to choke out, and essentially what these large ridges do is they help keep the filter from sticking to the bottom of the dripper, and it also increases the effective surface area where the coffee is actually percolating through. As that effective surface area increases, we believe the evenness of the extraction increases as well. This is a double wall design. We did that both for aesthetic reasons, but also practical reasons. This allows us to hold the dripper from anywhere. We have these kind of ergonomic ridges on the side, and those can be used in a couple different ways, like the way I'm using it right now, where my fingers are in the groove and my thumbs are in the flat part in the back. Or you might prefer to use it the other way around, where your fingers are on the side of the device and your thumbs are in the groove. We've gotten a lot of questions about the holes in the bottom of our device. Some people seem to be really worried that it's going to make cleaning the device difficult. We have not found that to be the case. I repeat, we have not found that to be the case. If we didn't put these holes here, it would explode. Practically though, I find that when picking up the dripper or holding the dripper, it becomes kind of a very nifty place where you can, if you're picking it up off a drying rack, it becomes easier to pick it up. So actually, for me, even though the holes primarily serve a practical purpose for the production of the dripper, it ends up being kind of a neat little feature. Essentially, we wanted to make a device that was really beautiful, but also made a really tasty cup of coffee. With the Etkin dripper, you can make enough coffee to share in a single batch.
It's so close.
Yes!
Let's go!
Now I understand why those do perfect ice. It's so exciting.